Asante Kotoko leading striker Abet Amoah a BT on one kasane record beer. Comparatively, last season football season, so far Ghana Premier League boy. The total matches our it is running up to 17 games. Now 17 games, no, we bought Ghana Premier League, 13 games. But last season, about 17 games. 17 games, no boy, Or say how many goals? Now this time, we bought only 13 games. 13 games now, we share a higher number of goals compared to a year last season. Details and more statistics in our have made bro on the Super 24 TV. So, and ne a Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to everyone who is celebrating across the world, across the globe. Asante Kotoko Football Club wishes to express a heartfelt Christmas message to each and everyone celebrating Merry Christmas this day. Yemfasoni yenkase afishiapa to be afese na hoden wo ho mpuntuo abanipa bra bom bebre yeda otumfo nyankopon ase. Christmas na na edi no. Nti yemfrefra adofo momu no nso ensu mobile money no. Obetima ye mobile money ama wadamfo a no aya ama no nua abusuafo ma me no obia monkaye ensu Super 24 yenso afi abo adwuma nti obeye mobile money ne bi ama ya no akaye. Okay, I know it was just by the way, but about so I better say. Abet Amoah in all competitions with great Olympics, 17 matches, 5 goals. That was the last season. 17 matches, so was 5 goals. And now with Asante Kotoko, 13 matches, 9 goals. This is impressive. I cut just 1 goal. No, I hit a double figure. It tells you, say, the record that we in the last season, we beat this record no crowd. And this thing, you can only have it with the Asante Kotoko platform. Asante Kotoko platform na eso. Ubana obon homo na uye juma you are going to flourish with it. Into ne statistics here, it's almost double goals I was say last season. And with less games, 13 games, it tells you say moving forward, so about more games are at least the 18 goals, the 20 goals video. One obeji now obey player obeji goal king ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko for the first time in so many years. Yenshey sa ebitimi aboma because oye very clinical and I see him say he can win the Ghana Premier League goal king. Sir. Okay, kind of more